Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. We're talking about XRP, the thing everybody's talking about, and like why it's not pumping today. Yesterday it went like 30%, now 2%. What's happening? So we're gonna talk about it, why it stopped, where it stopped, what's gonna happen and stuff like that. I know you guys are interested in that. Before we start, before we get into the charts and stuff like that, if you got some trouble picking up coins, if you don't know what's good, what's bad, if there's just too much noise, if picking coins means like looking at coin cap and looking at what went up 20-30% and then FOMO into that, maybe you should check out my Patreon. That's it. Let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with XRP and why it stopped where it stopped. So there are these lines over here, right? These are targets. Target is here at top 183, then you got the resistance one is 97 and 27. Those are the targets. Those are the numbers that we want to get to once we get there. But why did it stop over here? Does anybody know why it stopped over here? Why is this big wick over here? Why are we actually right over here? So this resistance, where we are resisting now, because it is resistance, usually prices go without resistance and then stop at resistance. This resistance is actually sitting on the weekly chart, and it is actually all-time high weekly. This is the weekly close, and all-time high weekly close. It's not all-time high weekly close, it's local all-time high weekly. It's local close, okay, local weekly close. So that's the resistance. You can see here price went above it, but it pulled back below it. Now this is just temporary pullback. It's just temporary where we have to go. Other important closes are this one and this one down here. But we broke those one. This one is broken. Yesterday we actually managed to get above this resistance up here as well. That's broken, and now we are testing this one up here. That's all-time high. All-time high. Whether that's gonna hold or not, I don't think so. I think we're gonna go higher. I don't know if we're gonna go higher right now, but we're gonna go higher. Now we got to look at some moving averages up here. Let's pop all the moving averages, and you can see that yesterday we actually managed to get above both 10 and 20 moving average in one go. Exceptionally well done. This went up like 30% yesterday, so today is very bummer day, although we are up 3%. I know you people are greedy and you want 30% every single day. Unfortunately that cannot happen. Maybe a little while later when we get at the end of the bull market, but right now like 30% plus 3%, it's 33%. That's fine. The good thing, we are above the moving average. We are above the 10 and 20 moving average. On the daily, we are above all the moving averages. These lines, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200. We are above all of them, and that's a very positive sign. That's a bullish sign. That means that we are still in an option. So basically, when we went down here, we were slowing down, and now we are still in an option. So that's a very good sign. You can see here right now, it's pushing it up all the way up to the line. So whether we're gonna break this line today or not, that's depends. See, it's very hard to say what the price is gonna do. We wanted to break the line, but whether it's gonna be broken or not depends. See, I know there is a lot of bullishness around XRP. Everybody's entire chat. We got this Telegram group chat community going on, and like 2,000 people, 1,897 people there right now, and everybody's talking about XRP. That's the only thing they're talking about. So I think there is enough bullishness to move the price up higher. Whether it's going to go today or not depends to see, but we want to get out above that. Now let's look at some technicals beside the moving averages up here. XRP actually closed on this candle over here on daily 46. And that was pretty low. That's pretty good done. So we have very nice technicals on the RSI. The MACD I want to say a quick word about, because we don't have yet this bullish cross that everybody is waiting for. And when it comes to MACD, it's one indicator people are very often looking at, especially on the big time frames, to see if we are in uptrend or downtrend, stuff like that. Is the changes between these red histograms and light red histograms. That's actually important, because the change itself shows the change in the downtrend versus uptrend and uptrend versus downtrend. The same thing here, when we changed it was the change in the trend, right? And here it's changing, and there is a change in the trend. So the trend itself is changing, but the bearishness here came when it broke this level over here, and it's gonna, and bullishness is gonna come when it break the next cross over here, so somewhere around here, and that's gonna increase, speed up the price move, because people will be that's gonna be the confirmation we need. So when this over here, the orange line, that's called the signal line, and when this blue line crosses on the downside, that's a bearish signal, and when it crosses on the upside, that's bullish signal, and the bullish signal is the thing everybody is waiting for. So bullish signal on the daily chart will be enough to push the price actually to the new all-time highs and stuff like that. But right now we are just crawling slowly above the moving averages to see which moving averages we can actually break. Now weekly chart are looking also phenomenally good on the technical side. We went almost down, all the way down to 10 moving average. Don't have to go all the way down to moving. It is fine. You can see here we are on the weekly chart. We want to break this this line weekly, but we still got like 6 days left to break the 1.4 line. We are already testing it right now, but we still have 6 days left, but I think it's gonna be broken sooner rather than later. Let's just go quickly see what we can expect on the short term, because right now we are sitting on the 20 moving average, and this it's only this 10 moving average that has to, this 10 moving average that has to pick up the speed and push us up. So whether we're gonna follow the 20 and then be pushed with the 10, or wait for the 10 to push us up, depends how the play is gonna go. But right now you can see here also on the 4-hourly chart, then these two moving averages that are actually pushing the price, the 10 and the 20, they're a little behind us, so we have to either go sideways or down to hit the price, because they go something like this. So we have to either go down or sideways and then hit the moving averages, and first after you hit the moving averages, then the price can actually go upstairs. So right now that's why the price is not haven't moved that much today, because we are extending from on the 4-hourly, daily, 1-hourly we are not extended, but 4-hourly we are a little bit extended. So I'm thinking like, we're hitting important resistance, we are a little bit extended on the 4-hourly, so maybe the price is just waiting for these moving averages to pick up, because you have to understand, you cannot just go like this and having these moving averages go all the way down here. Like, the price won't always go back to the moving averages. Very important thing, very important. The price wants to pull back to the moving averages. Either way, the thing to know right now is we are hitting the resistance, but when that resistance is broken, there is technically no resistance between these 2 points. I mean, there might be some resistance, but technically there is no resistance. So the price, as soon as this is broken, today, tomorrow, price can actually jump quite fast, quite high. That said, subscribe to the channel if you want to keep on getting updates on XRP. We do XRP here every single day. Like the video, because you know, YouTube algorithm, and check out the Patreon if you have trouble picking up coins. That said, thanks for watching, see you around, bye bye.